LCD replacement on MacBook A2179 laptop. Thank you, Sir Mark, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Bringing your laptop to a professional repair shop for LCD replacement is a wise choice, as it ensures the repair is done correctly, safely, and with the appropriate tools and expertise. A damaged or malfunctioning LCD screen can hinder the laptop's usability, affecting tasks such as work, studying, or entertainment. Attempting a DIY repair without the necessary skills or tools may lead to other damage, compatibility issues, or improper installation. Professional technicians are experienced in handling sensitive components like LCD screens and can ensure the replacement is done using a high-quality, compatible part. Additionally, they can check for related issues such as damage to the display, cable, or hinges and resolve them during the repair process. By opting for professional assistance, you protect your laptop from potential risks, restore its functionality, and ensure the screen operates. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. LCD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your LCD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.